Hi students, let us continue with chapter 14, equation of line. So we had completed till 13th question in our previous class of exercise 14D. So today let me continue with 14th question. Question number 14 we have, find the equation of line passing through minus 2, 1 perpendicular to the line 4x plus 5y equal to 6. So from this line let me find the slope. So what do you get? 5y is equal to minus 4x plus 6. Y is equal to minus 4 by 5x plus 6 by 5. Okay. So what will be the slope? Here slope will be equal to minus 4 by 5. So slope of the line perpendicular to this given line. Slope of the line perpendicular to the given line. Minus 1 by minus 4 by 5, that is equal to 5 by 4. So using this we can solve, you can get the equation of the line. So equation of the given line equal to y minus 1 equal to 5 by 4 x minus of minus 2, that is equal to y minus 1 equal to 5 by 4 x plus 2. 4y minus 4 is equal to 5x plus 10. So what you get? 4y minus 5x is equal to 14. This will be the equation of the given line. Now coming to the 15th question, find the equation of the perpendicular bisector of the line segment obtained on joining the points 6 minus 3 and 0, 3. So if it's a perpendicular bisector, it will be the midpoint, right? So the point will be what? The point will be equal to 6 plus 0 by 2 and minus 3 plus 3 by 2. That will be equal to 3 and 0. This will be the point. Now perpendicular bisector of this given line, right? Using this line we can get the slope. So slope of the first line will be what? Slope will be equal to 3 minus of minus 3 by 0 minus of 6, that is equal to 6 by minus 6 equal to minus 1. So the line is perpendicular to the given line, so slope will be equal to what? Slope is equal to slope of line perpendicular to this line. This line will be equal to minus 1 by minus 1, right? That is equal to 1. So using the point we found here, we can find the equation of the line to be found. Equation of line is equal to y minus 0 equal to 1 into x minus 3. Y is equal to x minus 3 you get. So or y plus 3 is equal to x you can write. This will be the equation of the given line. Hope it's clear. Now coming to question number 20. Write down the equation of line AB through 3, 2 perpendicular to the line 2y, this is 3, 2 perpendicular to the line 2y is equal to 3x plus 5. So y is equal to 3 by 2x plus 5 by 2. So here what will be the slope here? Slope is equal to 3 by 2. Okay. So equation of line perpendicular, right? So equation of line slope of line perpendicular to this line. Given line will be equal to minus 1 by 3 by 2, that is equal to minus 2 by 3. Okay. So equation of the line will be what? Equation of the line is equal to y minus 2 equal to minus 2 by 3 x minus 3. So 3y minus 6 is equal to minus 2x plus 6. 3y plus 2x equal to 12. So this will be the equation of the given line. Hope it's clear, kids. Now in the second sub question we have AB meets x axis at A. AB meets x axis at A and y axis at B. So AB meet x axis at A. What will be the y value of I is equal to 0? So let's see what will be the coordinate at that time, right? And we need to find the area of OAB also. First we find the coordinates for it. So what you get? 3 into 0 plus 2x equal to 12. Right? So you get 2x is equal to 12, x is equal to 12 by 2 equal to 6. So what will be the coordinate in this case? Will be 6, 0. Similarly, meeting y-axis at B. Y-axis at B. So x is equal to 0 in this case. So what will be that? 3y plus 2 into 0 is equal to 12. So we will get 3y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12 by 3 equal to 4. So here the point will be 0, 4. Okay. Calculate the area of the triangle OAB. How will you find the calculate the area of triangle OAB? So this will be of this form. So triangle OAB area is equal to half into base into height. What's the base here? Base is the x-axis 6 and y-axis here 4. So half into 6 into 4 equal to 12. So 12 square units will be the area of the triangle. Now coming to question number 21. Line 4x minus 3y plus 12 equal to 0 meets x-axis at A. So meets x-axis at A. So what is the k? Y is equal to 0. Write the coordinates of A. How will you find it out? Same way. 4x minus 3 into 0 plus 12 is equal to 0. So you will get 4x is equal to minus 12. X is equal to minus 12 by 4. That is equal to minus 3. So what will be the coordinate here? Minus 3, 0. Similarly, determine the equation of the line through A and perpendicular to 4x minus. So what is the line perpendicular to? First we will find the slope of this. This will be equal to 4x plus 12 is equal to 3y, right? So 4 by 3x plus 12 by 3 equal to y. So slope will be equal to 4 by 3 here. So slope of line perpendicular to the given line. Slope of line perpendicular to given line equal, this is the coordinate, given line will be minus 1 by 4 by 3, that is equal to minus 3 by 4 we get. So this is the point we have. Using this point and the slope we can get the equation of the line. Equation of line is equal to y minus 0 is equal to minus 3 by 4 x plus 3. 4y equal to minus 3x minus 9. 4y plus 3x is equal to minus 9. Hope it's clear. Now coming to the question number 23. Question number 23 we have the points A, B, C are A we have A 4, 0, B 2, 2 and C 0, 6 respectively. Find the equation of AB and BC. In order to find the equation of AB and BC, first let me find the equation of AB. So we will find the slope of AB first. Slope of AB is equal to 2 minus 0 by 2 minus 4 equal to 2 by minus 2 equal to minus 1. So equation of line AB. Equation of line AB is equal to y minus 0 equal to minus 1 into x minus 4. So y is equal to minus x plus 4. Y plus x is equal to 4. That will be equation of AB. Now similarly, we need to find BC, right? So how will you find out BC? BC will be equal to slope of BC equal to 6 minus 2 by 0 minus 2. That is equal to 4 by minus 2 equal to minus 2. So equation of BC will be what? Equation of BC equal to y minus 6 equal to minus 2 into x minus 0. Y minus 6 equal to minus 2x. Y plus 2x equal to 6. This will be equation of BC. Hope it's clear, kids. So similar way you can complete the rest of the questions in this exercise. Thank you, students.